It's Justin with Flylady coming at you today. We'll let a few people get in here. I am at the Flylady Distribution Center today, and we have just put out a brand new sale of one of our largest cleaning packages. This is the Flylady Ultimate Cleaning Package. So, do we have several people in here now, Jack?
Mm-hmm.
I've got Jack holding the phone for me today while I explain to you what all is in this big package we call the Ultimate Flylady Cleaning Package. We've got all kinds of stuff in here, and it is our best deal that we've ever had on this package. It's normally $211.54. We have it on sale for $100 off right now. It is now $111.54 for 11 different items. And these are not just any old items. These are some of the most premium home cleaning tools that Flylady has to offer. And I'll go ahead and get started. One of the biggest things that we have in here in this package is we have the Flylady Big Mop. This is a microfiber mop, and it goes on our Flylady handle, and it uses these microfiber cleaning cloths to be able to mop your floor or dust your floor. It is a great tool to do any kind of hard surface cleaning. We also have, that fits on the Flylady handle, we have the Flylady Rub-A-Sweep-A broom head. This just screws on to the handle like so. It attaches a little differently to the handle than the actual compression collar system that goes on our mop heads. They actually clamp on with the compression collar. This actually just screws on. And as you can see, it's got the same type of rubber bristles that's on our Scrubba. And I'll get to the Scrubba a little bit later. The best thing about the Flylady Rub-A-Sweep-A broom, it has got these really tough and flexible rubber bristles. They last an extremely long time, and it also comes with a squeegee side for any type of spills you might have on a hard surface, like a garage floor or anything like that. You can also clean your windows with this or wash your truck with this device. And the last thing that goes on the Flylady handle that comes in the Ultimate Cleaning Package is the multi-wand. The multi-wand is a flexible microfiber Chenille Duster. And it screws on just like the Rub-A-Sweep-A. And it allows you to reach up really high and clean and dust anything like ceiling fans, vent registers, and you can also bend it like so, and to flex it to be able to, dust different things, dust ceiling fan blades, so on and so forth. It's also great for dusting the top of your cabinets, like so. And as you can see, it really does pick up the dust. There's a little bit right there. These are easy to clean, and you can just pull this right off and throw this in your washing machine when it gets really dirty. That is the Flylady multi-wand that comes in the Ultimate Cleaning Package. And our handle actually is really easy to use, to lengthen and shorten. It is cool thing about the Flylady handle that is one of the best parts about it is it has a dual locking system. It has it's got a twist lock, so you can't, it kind of locks in place. And then it's got this compression collar to give it an extra amount of lock, so when you press down on it, it doesn't move. And it's fully adjustable to even let your children get involved and have a really short handle. The next thing that's on our list is the Flylady Rub-A-Swish-A. Comes in this package. The best toilet brush that you could ever find. And it is paired with the Flylady Rub-A-Swish-A vase. That comes in this package. A great holder for your Flylady toilet brush to rub a swish up. It also holds liquid. It is a standard gray color like a lot of our home tools are. And then we've got the Flylady Scrubba, the most versatile rubber cleaning brush that we've ever had. It's got a pointy tip so you can get in and out of tight corners with it. You can just get in and out. It's great for scrubbing. It's got these rubber bristles which really grip a smooth surface. It has 1,001 usage from anywhere from taking care of the grout around your tub, the edges of a sink, or scrubbing the wheels of your husband's truck. Another great tool from Flylady, the Scrubba. We also have the Flylady Premium Feather Duster. This is 100% Ostrich Feather Duster. And it comes in several, it comes natural, so it can be more gray, it can be more black, and it also comes with several of these purple feathers which give it the Flylady look. These are 100% ostrich feathers. They're great for cleaning dust to them because that's how ostrich feathers are made. Each one of these tiny little quills is like thousands and thousands of fish hooks. It doesn't use static electricity. It just uses the little barbs that are built into the feather structure to actually pick up dust. And when you dust an area, after you're done, you take it outside and you give it a nice shake, and it agitates the dust off of those feather structures, and hopefully the wind is blowing toward your neighbor's house and not inside your house, and the dust won't come back inside. This is primarily used for doing a maintenance style dusting. If you haven't dusted in a while, you might want to use another product that we have here, which is our Flylady Microfiber rags. These microfiber cleaning cloths have two different sides. They have a smooth polishing side, and they have more of a corduroy rib side that's great for scrubbing, great for polishing windows. You can do the dishes with these. You can wash your car with these. You name it, they are great for taking care of all types of different types of cleaning projects around your house. They're easily washed in your washing machine, and you can hang dry these or you can put them in the dryer. They're extremely tough. We've had lots of testimonials on our Flylady microfiber cloths, so much so that we've had people that have even lost one in a garbage disposal, and it tore it up a little bit, but it was still in one piece. These things are extremely tough and are a great home tool around your house. In this ultimate cleaning package, you get 3 of these purple Flylady rags. And the last thing that we have here, or one of the last things here, we also have an extra mop cloth that actually goes on the Flylady Big Mop. So you get an extra cloth with that Big Mop. We also have the Flylady Carpet Sweeper. This is a non-battery powered carpet sweeper. It uses these brushes to go backwards and forwards, and it actually has these little chambers right here that pick up and catch the debris. After you use it on your floor to pick up little odds and ends crumbs. It's great for picking up pet hair, crumbs. And then you hold it like this and you take it to a garbage can, and then you just open this up and watch all this come back out on the floor. And it picks everything up just like that. The Flylady Carpet Sweeper, a great home tool that's also in the Flylady Ultimate Cleaning Package. And again, the price for this package is $111.54. Go to the Fly Shop. This is the beginning of our big holiday sales that we have going on. Scoop this package up while it's at this price. It won't be at this price for long. And enjoy this great deal from Flylady.